If you want the biggest possible harvest of peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, or strawberries, then never throw away eggshells again. They contain calcium, which is essential for strong plant growth and healthy fruit development. Most people make one huge mistake that prevents plants from getting almost any benefit from them. And today I'll show you how to turn them into real liquid gold for your garden. Most people simply crush eggshells by hand and bury them in the soil, thinking the plants will immediately absorb the calcium. The problem is that eggshells break down very slowly. Sometimes an entire season passes and the plant still hasn't used almost any of them. That's why today we're making a much stronger homemade fertilizer that tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers absolutely love. First, collect a few eggshells and dry them well. Once they are completely dry, place one or more into a grinder and blend them as finely as possible. The finer the powder, the faster your plants will absorb the nutrients. But this is where most people stop, and this is exactly where they make the biggest mistake. Ground eggshells alone are not enough because plants still struggle to absorb the calcium. So now we're going to use a small trick that literally speeds up the entire process. Place the ground eggshells into a container and pour over a very small amount of hot water. Don't use too much water. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You'll immediately notice a reaction and tiny bubbles forming. That's when the calcium begins to release into a form that plants can absorb much more easily. Leave it overnight. The next day, dilute everything with another half liter of water and add 300 milliliters of banana peel tea. Banana peels are packed with potassium, and potassium is the most important nutrient when plants begin producing fruit. Without enough potassium, fruits stay small, plants become weak, and the leaves often start turning yellow. Pour this fertilizer directly around the roots. 1 small cup per plant every 10 to 14 days is enough. Tomatoes will have fewer problems with blossom end rot. Peppers will become firmer and thicker. Cucumbers will grow much faster and produce more fruit, and strawberries will become sweet as honey. And one more very important thing. Do not water during the hottest part of the day, and do not spray the leaves because water droplets under strong sunlight can burn the leaves, while moisture sitting on the foliage often encourages fungal diseases and rot. If you want more natural tricks like this for huge harvests without expensive fertilizers, write garden in the comments. See you in the next video.